Oh my god, that guy broke his leg! This episode is sponsored by Zola Bakes. What's with this guy? He has a bad injury and he continues his job? Wasn't he supposed to be in the hospital? Yeah, I know. Screwed up, right? Alright, so while he's in the hospital, let's start drawing this guy, shall we? Tonight we're gonna draw injurnalist. Of course, he can inspirit others and force others to be full of themselves. More than that, but he's responsible for getting the scariest inside shady stories for what's gonna come in the paper. He's one of the journalists who also runs the local Yokai Watch news and whatever for his old news gets flipped onto the back, and with every news story it automatically changes. And he also has his own injurnalist page. Here's his notepad. Here's his shoe. And this is why his name is injurnalist. He has a broken foot. Why does he always have a broken foot? Here's his pen. And finished. Oh yeah, forgot to add this part. One more thing about this guy. He has Lycanrock's Midnight Form eyes. I don't know how that happened. It looks like Yokai Watch stole their idea. Or was it the other way around? I'm not sure. Maybe it was the other way around. Anyway, when a guy breaks his foot, it should heal. He should be in a wheelchair, not standing on his own 2 feet. Otherwise, you'd be like Rintu when he broke his leg. Seriously, he was all like, "My leg!" Sorry, that was Fred. From SpongeBob. Anyhow, that's how you draw in Journalist. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to subscribe to Zola Bakes. Always available, anytime, anywhere. That's all for now. Good night!